We're
Yeah.
talking about drugs. So drugs in a way are an interesting parallel with code because drugs are composed of lower level molecular structures,
Hmm.
right? But you can't patent hydrogen, you can't patent oxygen, you can't
Right.
patent nitrogen, but you can patent some complex formulation of 16 carbons with 12 hydrogens. And I don't know anything about molecular biology or chemistry, but you have to get to some certain level of complexity, I think, before you can say like this is a thing that's
Right.
patentable.
Hmm.
And code, I feel, must have to deal with those same type of constraints because you can't patent an if statement, right? Everybody has if statements. So what how do
Yeah.
you compose code to the point where you can look at something and say this is so uniquely ours
Yeah.
that if anyone were even to like randomly put this collection of syntax tokens together, it would be a violation.
So what I had read was, and I posted the link over to like this page I was reading earlier when we were talking about this topic, but it basically says that it has to be new and
Hmm.
original. The code has to be useful and it has to have a non-obvious piece of code or function to it. So it can't be anything that would be an obvious statement
Right.
to it.
I mean, I think it
That
kind of
yes.
goes back to it's an incentive, right? If you can come up with an
Yes.
idea that is novel enough and useful, then you can get it patented, and that gives you not only the right to be the sole creator of it, but like you can sell a license to it. The idea of software patents is interesting to me because I like the idea of there being an incentive to solve hard problems, do complex things, be useful, be novel. And not everybody has the same type of motivation and personality as me, but me personally, I have never once thought, oh, that's an interesting thing I just did, I should see if that's patentable or not.
Mhm.
It's just I create stuff because it's fun and because it needs to be created, not necessarily to profit off of it.